Now, here's Knoxville's most accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Good morning. I'm Assistant Chief Meteorologist Victoria Cavaliere. I've been closely tracking some visibility issues this morning across East Tennessee. This is an updated look at Skylift Park, and we're continuing to see some really dense fog in spots. You want to be sure to give yourself at least a little extra time this morning. Doesn't look like we're dealing with a lot of that fog in the valley areas, but right along the Smokies and also portions of the Northern Valley and Plateau, seeing some dense fog, dropping visibility down to about a half to a quarter of a mile. A dense fog advisory does continue for the next few hours in Cumberland and Fentress counties. Again, that goes until 9 a.m. Central Time this morning. So if you've got to be out and about, and especially if you're headed to the mountains or headed west, just make sure that you're taking it slow on the roads. You do want a light jacket today as well, as temperatures are currently sitting in the 40s and 50s. 53 right now in Tellico Plains, 45 in Middlesboro, 51 this morning in Maryville, and 46 degrees in Kingston. Storm Tracker 6 radar has overall been pretty quiet locally this morning. We dodged a little bit of some drizzle at times. We may be seeing some light mist out there. I'm continuing to track some scattered showers that are now approaching the downtown Nashville area. At this point, I expect those showers to kind of dissipate as they move into East Tennessee. And overall, today's rain chance is pretty minimal, only at about 20%. By lunchtime, we're at 55, maxing out at about 60 this afternoon. Plenty of cloud cover for your Sunday, but it's not going to be quite as soggy as what we had yesterday. We really dealt with some heavy rain at times on Saturday. That is not going to be the case today. Just a little bit of some mist and drizzle at times. Even places over the Smokies going to see that opportunity for a stray shower. Winds continue to be fairly quiet for the valley, but look at them over the Smokies. Out of the west at about 23 miles per hour. Anakeesta getting up to 61 degrees this afternoon. Let's walk you through the timeline forecast because there will be some changes this week, including an elevated rain chance for your Monday. Overall this morning, we've got a lot of clouds around. You're going to be hard pressed to see some sunshine today, but you can still get outdoors as those rain chances stay on the lower end. Looking ahead towards tonight, mainly cloudy skies continue. You'll wake up tomorrow morning to temperatures in the low 50s. Very slim opportunity for a shower early Monday morning. Winds begin to increase out of the south and west during the afternoon tomorrow, and I think it's later in the afternoon, mainly after lunchtime, that scattered showers and a few rumbles of thunder begin to develop. Couple heavy downpours not out of the question tomorrow. It's also a little bit warmer for your Monday. Highs will get into the low 70s for many, but let's talk about that chance for a few stronger storms. The Storm Prediction Center has updated our severe weather risk and really taken most of our area out of it. Parts of southeast Kentucky just kind of getting clipped by that level 1 risk. I think the damaging winds would be our biggest concern if we were to see any stronger storms. We do have a wind advisory that'll be in effect all day tomorrow, as winds could gust up to 50 miles per hour. Again, our severe threats overall pretty low tomorrow. Just some isolated wind damage and a couple storms possible. So be sure you've got multiple ways to receive your weather alerts just in case any are issued. This afternoon, we're up to 60 degrees, falling down to 52 tonight. It is going to be breezy for your Monday. Remember that wind advisory for most areas. Another pretty active week, especially Wednesday onward. We could see some bouts of heavy rain as well, so stay up to date.